Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you all students? Hopefully you all will be fine and studying properly. Okay student, it is my lecture number 5B, and as you know that we have started the chapter motion and measurement of distances. Okay, in the previous lecture we have studied about the conversion of units from meter to centimeter, and I have given you few questions in the homework. Okay students, so in this lecture I will tell you about their answers. If you have done the answers, so please tally your answers with me. On the screen you can see a question. This 2 meter is equal to question mark centimeter. You have to convert 2 meter into centimeter. So how can you do it? You will write, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter multiplied by 100, it will be equal to 200 centimeter. It is the procedure, and you will write the answer. 200 centimeter is the answer. So you will do it in this way. Okay, next question is that 2.5 meter, it is equal to dash centimeter. You have to convert 2.5 meter into the centimeter. So the same procedure you will follow it. You will write first step, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2.5 meter multiplied by 100, it will be equal to 250 centimeter. It is the answer. Next question I gave you in the answer in the homework. ठीक है, थी क्वेश्चन सी पार्ट जो है मैंने आपको होमवर्क में दिया था, आपने कर लिया होगा. इसका आंसर प्लीज़ टैली कर लें. 3 meter is equal to question mark centimeter. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter multiplied by 100 centimeter, it will be equal to 100 centimeter. 3 meter multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 300 centimeter. So it is the answer of C part. Now in the next question, the question is 5.5 meter is equal to how many centimeter? So in the first step you will write, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 5.5 meter will be equal to 5.5 meter multiplied by 100. 5.5 meter multiplied by 100, it will be equal to 550 centimeter. ठीक है, कटिंग हो रही है थोड़ा सा आगे से, that is 550 centimeter. So it is the answer. You will follow the same procedure. Please tell your answer with me. ठीक है, आई नो कि आपने सही किया होगा. सिंपल सा प्रोसीजर है, सब में यही यूज़ हो रहा है. ठीक है, ऐसी जो स्टेप्स लिखेंगे हम, लाइक एस वी नो, इन स्टेप्स के जो है नंबर होते हैं, मार्क्स होते हैं, तो अपने स्टेप्स को फॉलो करना है, डायरेक्टली नहीं करना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 7 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So you will write, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 7 meter multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 700 centimeter. So it is the answer. 700 centimeter is the answer. Okay students, so it is a procedure. You will follow it and you will follow in the same way. We can multiply it by making a rough column. ठीक है, रफ कॉलम आप कॉपी पे शो कर सकते हैं, नीटली करिएगा, अच्छे से करिएगा, पेंसिल से आप रफ कॉलम पे कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं, और अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज़ द सिंपल कैलकुलेटर. इट इज़ बेटर टू यूज़ द रफ कॉलम. Okay students, now we will move towards the today's homework. In today's homework I am also giving you the 2 questions for the conversion of units. Okay, the 2 questions are, you can see on the screen, 2.25 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Next question, 6.15 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Okay, I am repeating, 2.25 meter is equal to dash centimeter and 6.15 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Okay students, so it is your homework. You have to do it in the copies. ठीक है, then I will check your answers. Okay, with the homework, one more thing which I am giving you, it is the topic. Okay, in your book at the page number 124, there is a topic, rest in motion. Okay students, you have to read this page, you have to do the self study of this page. I think you will enjoy it. It's very simple, you can understand it easily. So in the next lecture, I will explain this topic, so you can understand it better if you study it in the homework. Okay, so it's like your homework that you have to do the question of conversion of units, and please read this page, rest and motion, in homework. Okay, so from next class I will start the topic rest and motion. Okay, thank you student, take care, Allah Hafiz, do the homework properly.